Brewers need a way to compete, stay relevant, and stay up to date with the latest product advances to do so. They're doing so many different things. There's hop waters, there's seltzers, there's non-alcoholic beer. The industry is evolving so much, and we need to really make sure that we are taking a representative sample in our product development efforts and getting feedback from as many different people as possible.
We have an amazing internal team that's able to conceptualize and create these new products, as well as run initial brewing trials to determine if they work for the brewers. We do a lot of internal and development testing and validating through our own brewery. It works pretty good. The best thing about getting brewer feedback in as much as possible is to really test your hypothesis several times.
So Yakima Chief Ranches and Yakima Chief Hops represent a truly vertically integrated supply chain, from the breeding, the genetics, all the way through to the sales to the brewers. Each of us have a portion of that supply chain that we are responsible for. Yakima Chief Ranches is really focused on identifying growers to work with and getting the right varieties to those growers, working in conjunction with Yakima Chief, which is that sales and marketing outlet to the global brewing industry.
The Forward program is the culmination of a long history of trialing products with our brewers and collaboration between, growers, suppliers, and brewers, and making it this really formalized system where we are expanding our reach of data collection to a much more representative population of what our brewers actually are.
We can take a subset of the brewing industry that's very innovative, very interested in trying these new products, and it gives us a really great feedback loop.
If you get the chance to use the latest and greatest and new things on the market, why would you not want to,
When there was an opportunity to really break ground and try things before it's even commercialized, we really wanted to participate, because this truly resonates with us, and we really want to be trying new things. We don't want to do the same thing over and over the old fashion way.
The main goals are to take products that we have trialed in-house in our pilot brewery. We've run them through our sensory. We've tweaked the dial a little bit to get it kind of maybe 90% of the way to where we think this product is ready for commercialization. That's the point when something will enter the Forward program, and we'll just get that kind of last bit of feedback that will help us sort of mold to the final development of that product, as well as kind of better understand what brewers are willing to pay for this product, where they see it fitting into their portfolio, what products they're currently using that this product might be better than, and also if this product isn't solving the problem that we thought it was going to be solving for them, it's an opportunity for them to give us that feedback as well.
The great thing about the Forward program is we're going to bring the brewers into the conversation as early as we possibly can. And Yakima Chief Hops is about bringing growers and brewers together, so it's really a win-win.
So we got 701, which is now HyperBoost, but the overall process was easy. We loved it. We've actually already implemented HyperBoost into some of our core products based off what we learned from the data of that program. It just makes sense all around, especially since you have the data now and we have our efficiencies have increased from it, and we've seen that internally. So while some people might shy away from the cost of these products, you make that money back in the efficiency. There's multiple reasons why we enjoy it and why we're going to keep doing it.
We have received the 701, that's now the HyperBoost. We had a lot of recommendations from YCH as to how to use it. So we actually did a West Coast Pills. We are fortunate to have a brew pub, and when we did the release that night, we explained to our customer base how we used it, why we used it, and they are very, very curious. And so far, people have been extremely happy, and so much so that they want us to continue to explore the HyperBoost over and over using different hops. Since that, we actually got the 701 or the HyperBoost Citra, Simcoe, and the Crush, the 586. And so we really want to explore that as far as we can.
Anyone who's interested in learning more about the Forward program can go to the website. It's hopforward.com. There's also an email address. It's fwd@yakimachief.com. We open up applications in January, so feel free to reach out to us and help move beer forward.